was reading articles about birds, and right now I'm reading forum thread, and someone said the bird is definitely not releasable with poor feather condition. I am so worried about Chili right now. Her whole neck is missing feathers, like you can't really see, but whenever she stretches, there's a huge bald spot. And also her chest is missing feathers. Come here, it's okay. So right there, she's missing a lot of feathers. She's missing a lot of feathers here. Oh, Chili. Where are you going, Chili? Where are you going? Ow, that's my... That's my beauty mark. Silly Chili. You're so silly. Where are you going? Where are you going, Chili? Right there. Okay. Right there. Her other feathers are covering the bald spot, but there's a huge bald spot that you can't really see right now. Where are you going? Stop. Go down. Chili. Okay. Yeah. Oh, Chili, you're so warm. Your belly's so warm. Ow! Stop it! Ow! It's my finger! Ow! It's my finger! You can't do that. Seriously? What are you looking at? What are you looking at? Oh, and also, she's missing a lot of feathers underneath of her armpit, which you can't see right now. You pooped on my hand. Chili. That's not nice. She sometimes nibbles my finger and hand, but it doesn't hurt at all. But what I know for sure is Chili does not like my thumb. Just please don't poop on my carpet.
Know you've been a good friend, and that's in the thick and thin, and I know it's never gonna end.
I said, don't poop on my carpet. You pooped on it.
Know you've been a good friend,
You pooped on it.
and that's in the thick and thin, and I know it's never gonna end.
Oh, man. No. No, Chili, no. Bad Chili.